And police are investigating a pair of shootings involving the tow truck industry.
Investigators say it was just before 10:30 last night when two people were shot at a tow yard on Glen Scarlett Road near Weston and St. Clair. They were taken to hospital with serious injuries. The suspects took off in a dark sedan.
An hour later, police say a tow truck driver was shot at a gas station near Warden and Lawrence. The victim was rushed to hospital with serious but non-life-threatening injuries. Police say the suspects fled the scene in a vehicle, but no description of that has been provided yet. It's unclear whether the incidents are related at this point, but anyone with information is being asked to call police.